This video is going to be for people who don't know what AI is. I bet a lot of people know what AI is, how we use it, how to study better with AI. But this video is going to be specifically for people who want to learn the basics about AI, because around me there are still people who don't know what AI is, how to use it for studying, how to use it for work, and in which fields or in which situations AI can help you. So basically today I will give you 5 tips on how to study better with AI. And yes, I use AI myself every day, and I use it for more complex tasks, not only for school but also for work. But today we will talk about only for studying. To compare things, studying without AI is like trying to download a 100 gigabyte file on a 1G internet. Studying with AI is like downloading it on a 5G internet with turbo boost and I don't know what else. So meet your new best friend, AI. Instead of Googling explain photosynthesis and ending up on a page where there's a 40-minute lecture from 2009, the professor speaks absolutely slow, or on a website where, I don't know, there's a thesis that has 100 pages, it's very complex, you don't understand a single thing, there's AI for you. You can basically type into AI, explain to me photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old, with emojis, and boom, complex topics broken down. Confusing history dates turned into a timeline. AI literally becomes the chill teacher who actually explains things instead of just reading slides, alright? The best for this are ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, the best tools for that. If you, for example, have a 20-page chapter, alright, paste into AI, summarize this in 5 bullet points, exam ready, and boom, you're done. No more hours scrubbing messy notes. Even better, ask AI, make me flashcards. Imagine revising like this, like playing Uno instead of a nightmare. The best tools for this are Notion, ChatGPT, or Quizlet. When we talk about Quizlet or when we talk about quizzes, you can also use ChatGPT to make quizzes for you from the chapters or from the topics you study. For example, if you upload the files, you can ask ChatGPT, ask me 10 random questions from chapter 4, but don't show me the answers. Suddenly studying feels like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? It feels like a game. If you gamify something, it's more enjoyable, it makes more fun. Except the prize isn't money, but it's passing without stress. Have you ever sat on your bed or at your table like I am right now and ask yourself, what the hell am I supposed to study right now? How do I get things done? How do I can study more effectively? I don't know what you ask yourself, but I sometimes been in the place where I've been like, I have a lot to do, I have a lot to study. How do I begin? I'm speechless right now because I had so many questions back in the day. But basically what I want to say, I can bet that sometimes you just sat on your bed or at your table and you asked yourself, what am I supposed to study right now? Or with what subject am I supposed to begin? Ask AI, make me a 7-day study schedule or timetable where you include math, history, English, German, chemistry, physics, and so on. 2 hours daily, little breaks. You can also tell the ChatGPT or the AI how long breaks you want to have when you work, when you have school, and so on. It's basically like hiring a personal coach, but for free. Unlike your parents or maybe coach, if you did sports, he won't yell at you when you don't follow. Now to the fun part. AI can literally make studying entertaining. Stuck on a periodic table, ask AI to rap about it. Need to remember a law or any, specific diagram or a definition. Ask AI to turn it into a meme. The crazier it gets, the more your brain remembers. And trust me, I can guarantee you if ChatGPT tells you formulas or the periodic table in Shrek terms, or it shows you a meme of, something you like, I can bet you will remember it. AI is powerful, but don't fall into the trap where you just copy-paste the text AI creates. You gotta be creative. Because an AI-generated text, you can recognize it easily. Use it to understand, use it for studying, use it to make things easier. Don't use it to make the whole work for you. It will give you more freedom, it will give you more time, but you still gotta put some effort in it. Imagine it like an Iron Man suit. The Iron Man suit is ChatGPT. You are the Tony Stark in it. You are the brain behind it. Just use it as a tool. Don't use ChatGPT like an employee for you. Just, I mean, it's a little helper. It will help you. It will do at least 50% of the work for you. Yeah, so let's recap. It's your teacher, it's your personal tutor, it's your personal coach, it's your helper, it's your little assistant. It's not your employee, alright? It's your little helper. Use it while you study, because it will save you at least 50% of the time, alright? Instead of 3-4 hours, you will study 1 or 2, you will understand better. And if you study math or anything else, and you haven't used AI, you're missing out. Because to be honest, instead of studying 6 or 7 hours, what I did before I used AI, I'm studying 2-3 max on one topic, because AI helps me to understand it better. Try to learn it, try to understand it. And if this is the first time you heard about AI, I bet you already heard about it, but this is like a little, you know, how do I call it? Like a little crash course into AI, how, in which fields it can help you. I mean, if you have any questions, you can also ask me. You can text me on Instagram. I will try to, you know, answer on at least 90% of all texts if I can. So if I don't text back, just try to comment under a video, because I'm looking at the old videos also, or try to comment at the newest video. And yeah, I will leave the Instagram somewhere here. I don't know, somewhere here. And yeah, leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hope this video helped you.